Hey guys, welcome back to a new YouTube video. We have a cool adventure for you guys. We are still here in Tulum, Mexico. We've been having a great time. We've been here for about a month already and just, working away, doing fun things every single day. But we actually have an adventure today.
Yes, we are going to go on a boat tour and do this float through a lagoon. It's one of the top things to do in Tulum.
And you guys seen some of the lagoons that we posted before. They're absolutely beautiful. So it should be a great time,
The weather is beautiful.
Lagoon. It's been sunny here every single day. It's about 93 degrees right now. And it's pure sun, so it's hot. But
can't wait to get in the water.
Exactly. We're gonna just hop in the water and just cool ourselves off. But yeah, we're gonna hop on a car with some of our friends, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get to the awesome, cool adventure. So we'll see you guys there. Okay, so we've made it to the lagoon. It is awesome already. We've already made some fantastic friends. It is so pretty here. So it's about a 15-minute walk here, and then we're gonna have a 20-minute boat ride, and then we're gonna find a nice lagoon with nice currents, and we're just gonna go all the way down.
Life jackets on.
But yeah, we'll see you guys when we drop off the boat. Okay, so we made it to the dock that we're gonna be stopping. We got all of our light vests on.
It's a look.
It is. Light vest diapers, and we're just gonna bob down this lagoon.
Oh, okay.
It's not very tight.
Found some cool ruins in the middle of the jungle. That's actually pretty sick. So I'm about 6'1", 6'2", and this is the height of the doorway. It's they definitely make it quite, oh my god, it just keeps going. Very cool. And we're in the middle of the jungle. Like, we can only get here by 30-minute boat ride, so wherever that building was for, amazing.
Oh shit.
Hey, we're just now going down the lagoon.
Wait, what? I'm gonna go beside you. Coming in that one. Yeah. She is the content queen. She's right. Yes. Woohoo!
Yes.
Come on, let's. No, not on the lower part. That doesn't count. Get it. Can we do pull-ups up?
Get up there like a monkey.
Start doing pull-ups.
All the way to the top. Go, go, go. To the top. To the top. Go, keep going. Nice.
Yeah. I wonder how deep it was right there.
So, honey, how was your experience on the lagoon?
It was beautiful. So beautiful. Amazing time floating.
There was a pretty good current pretty much the entire time and all that. Experiences on the lagoon.
Yo, that was awesome.
It was awesome. It was amazing. Very relaxing. The water is perfect. But yeah, that's the end of that little adventure, and we're gonna head on this, little wooden path into the boats and hop a boat ride back to our little port, and yeah, the next venture will start from there. So we'll see you guys at the next adventure.